Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating an author website in Squarespace.com. So as an author, having a professional online presence is very crucial for connecting with all the readers and promoting your work and building your brand. So in this video, we will be walking you through these steps to create a stunning author website in Squarespace.com. Process is very simple and easy. First things first, what you need to do is go to your Squarespace.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password and email account, or you can also use your Google account. After that, it is going to direct you to your dashboard or to your home screen. This is the dashboard that is going to appear. There are a few simple steps that you're going to choose, like choosing a template, setting up your site structure, adding the book pages, creating a blog, customizing your site, or you can, add contacts and social media links as well. You can launch your site, you can preview it. This is how you're going to create another website. It is much similar to how you create your usual website. So this is all about editing, how you edit it after answering a few simple questions. So if you are a previous user on Squarespace.com, you must know that this is a powerful platform that is going to help you create a website and edit it using the large number of secure features, and all your websites are going to appear here on the dashboard. But if you're a newbie, you must create a new website for your author profile. So you're going to go click on this option of create website. You see, let me show you. This is the sample website that I have created previously. Let me show you guys this one. So this is just, I have never edited it, but this is just a simple template. So yeah, they're going to ask you a few simple questions that you're going to answer, and it is going to help you choose a template according to your taste. So step number 1 is going to be that what's your site about? It could be about it could be about, let's just see, photography. It could be about design, education, consultation, arts, health, marketing, technology, construction, maintenance. It could be about apparel, music, real estate and properties, beauty, travel, or wedding. If you don't see any option of your choice, then you're simply going to go type it over here, because this is how it works. So yeah. Let's just say mine is about beauty, and I'm going to be clicking on next. And after that, it is going to ask the second question, that is, what do you want to do with your website? So it could be about selling services, promoting an event, or it could be about collecting donations, selling on-demand videos, build a community, publish a blog post in social media. It could be about sending invoices, showcasing your work expertise, offer a contact form, promote the physical business. It could be about getting appointments, selling products, or it could be about promoting an event, collecting donation, or yeah. These are the random options that I've selected. The third and the most important step, and this is one of my favorite steps, because this is the step where Squarespace allows you to choose whether you are looking for building a new template or you're looking for choosing a template that have been suggested by Squarespace for you. So by clicking on Blueprint AI, you are going to be answering a few simple questions, and after you answer those few simple questions, AI is automatically going to create a new template for you. That is going to be much of a labor about answering a few simple questions and moving through a few simple steps. It takes much of your time. So I'm going to be choosing a template. You can also change your, it has suggested me about 21 different templates according to my answers, but you can also change your domain here. You can also, let's just see, I'm clicking on all templates, and there are about 45 different templates, and you could use any of these. Let's just say I'm looking for this one. So I select this one. You can check it out on the mobile mode as well, or you can check it out on the desktop mode. You can also start with this design, or you can change the colors. You see, you can play with different colors here. Let's just say I like this color more. I like this one, and I'm going to be clicking on starting with this design. So this was one of the final steps that is going to create the website for you. The next steps are only that you're going to edit it according to, your name or your, whatever you're looking for as an author or whatever your website is about. So you can make the sufficient changes. That is going to take a few minutes, and this is the type of the screen that is going to appear. Now you're going to go click in this option of edit site because you want to edit it, and you're going to go click and edit. Let's just say I'm going to write here. You can edit it by clicking on this option of pencil. Here you're going to enter a site title, my site. You can change it, but since this is just for the sake of the video, so I'm going to be doing nothing. So here you can edit a logo here, but if you don't have any logo of your own, you can just skip this part. So after that, you are going to go click in this header option. You can change the height site header. You can add different elements here like buttons. You can add the social media links, or you can add the account. You can switch to the languages, or you can add card or remove it. You can do whatever you want. So this is how you're going to, let me just change my site title to our site. Here you could also add the logo, but no need if you don't have any or you don't want to have any. You can also edit the design here. You can change the layout here. Let's just say I'm looking for this layout, or you can also change the colors here. I'm looking for a light one. You can change, I'm looking for bright here. I like this one, so I'm going to be choosing this one. So this is how you're going to change your site, and you can edit it. So this is how you're going to customize your site. You can change your site design, your layout by adding your logo. You can change colors, you can change fonts, and adjust your layout. So this is how you can use numerous secure features of Squarespace. You can also check it out on the mobile mode, that how your site is going to appear on the mobile mode. You can, edit the pictures, you can edit the sections, you can move it out to the mobile mode, you can add any more section if you want, or if you don't want it, just skip this part. Or after you're done adding changes, you can click on this option of save, or you can move to this brush option here. Here you see you can change the site styles here, the theme, the fonts, the buttons here, or the forms if you want to add any. So this is how you're going to explore all the options as an author to your website. So consider adding a newsletter sign up or a reader community to your engagement with your audience. You can also use Squarespace built-in analytics to track your site's performance as well. So you can also check it out on the mobile mode as well. Numerous options, you can explore any of those, and this is how your site is going to appear as an author. You can also name your site here instead of our site. So the process is very simple and easy. It was just like creating any other simple website. Hopefully I have made it easy for you guys to create an author website. So I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.